Well, where might a cowboy find a tall drink of water around these parts? Oh, well, thank you kindly, stranger. That's the first proper drink I've had since I flew the coop.
Oh, anytime. We here at Camp Wild are always happy to help extremely cool-looking travelers. I'm Elliot.
Howdy. Pleasure to meet you.
And this is Boog, trusty sidekick. I mean, camp director numero dos.
Howdy.
Howdy. What's your name again?
Howdy.
I think he's stuck.
Well, let me set the record straight.
Is that us?
Shh, shh, he's doing guitar.
Howdy's the name. Howdy the cowboy. Trusty steed to Doc Quickshot, the noblest sheriff in the West. Me and my sheriff lived a mighty fine life in a real small one-horse town. I'm the horse. One morning, we're doing our duty, helping the town folk, when a pack of good-for-nothing coyote bandits came through and drove me out of town.
Cool. I mean, darn tootin' cowpoke.
Since then, I've been on the run from the long reach of the paw. Coyote paw, that is.
Well, then, that settles it. You'll just have to stay here at Camp Wild. You can have Ian's cabin.
Huh? Oh, and I appreciate it, partner, but them coyotes will come looking for me any day now. I best be on my way.
Guten Morgen, Boog. Guten Morgen, Elliot. Guten Morgen. Howdy, the cowboy? It cannot be. I have seen your shows many times over.
Well, what is this son of a gun saying? And how do you know my name? I think I would have noticed if I was in some sort of play type. What's it?
It is not just a play. It is an immersive experience that my humans took me to. First, you perform some excellent tricks. Balancing on a rolling barrel, kicking a bottle off a post. Then, Itchy McTriggerfinger appears. I'm taking you down. Ain't enough room around these parts for the two of us. Blame, pow, ah, ooh, ah, you got me. Curse you, Doc Quickshot. You're going to the clink. Nay, I am a big fan of your performance, Mr. Howdy, sir.
Performance? That means I'm a fraud?
Uh-oh. I think we broke him.
Am I a cowboy? Am I even a horse? I don't know what I believe.
Oh, man. He used to be so awesome, and we ruined it.
For all I know, I'm two people in a horse costume.
What do you want to do? Lie to him?
That's a great idea. But what if we pretend we're in trouble and let him save the day, cowboy style? Oh, we'd be chomping at the bit to get back to his western ways.
I don't know, Elliot. My gut says it's a bad idea.
We can't just let him suffer.
My whole life is a sham.
Fine. What's the plan?
It's easy. You pretend you're in mortal danger, and Howdy will save your life.
Yeah, I don't know. This has some plot holes. Why the princess costume?
Because cowboys need to rescue damsels in distress. Stop questioning my vision.
Remember, this is an elite training opportunity. Did he hold back?
I'm sorry I had a tiny little meltdown earlier. Truth is, I'm real grateful you folks told me.
Really? You were? But the crying.
Sure, it ain't no fun learning that everything you believed in was a bunch of bullpoop. But now I got true blue pals that I can trust to never, ever, ever, ever lie to me. Oh, hear that? Someone's in trouble.
Nope. Don't hear anything. Let's just ignore it.
Give me your goods.
Ow! Do you mind? Oh, I mean, help! A situation.
Don't worry, little lady. Help is on its way.
Attack!
What? Hey, no.
Okay, that's enough. Shoot, get Howdy here, you maniacs! Oh, way to go, buddy, you did it!
Dang, nabbit, my instinct nearly got me turned into glue. I'm not even fit to wear this here hat. Howdy the cowboy. More like howdy the coward.
Oh, well, guess that didn't work. Now for a new, more honest plan.
Not so fast, my finer sign. It's time for Phase 2!
Wait, Elliot.
Well, look who it is. That's right. It's me, the, Bandit King.
You look mighty familiar.
Do I? I just have one of those faces now. Let's have a shootout. Go!
Here I was thinking y'all were trustworthy. Turns out you're just as bad as those humans.
Oh, man. We really messed up. Which means it's time for Phase 3!
No more phases.
Everything okay there, Howdy?
Yep, getting absolutely hydrated. Guess you can lead a horse to water and make him drink.
I am sorry for the behavior of my friends. They try to help, but sometimes they make a mess.
It's all right. Who am I to judge? I'm the biggest liar of all. I'm not a cowboy. I'm nothing.
Not true. In my humble opinion, you are the greatest actor ever.
Oh, yeah? And what good has acting ever done anyone?
When I saw your performance, I knew you were not a real cowboy. But that did not matter to me. You were so charming, so bold, so fearless. It inspired me to be brave. And now, look at me, living in the forest like the real wild beast.
Pretty impressive for someone so short on legs.
And it hasn't always been easy, but whenever I get scared, I ask, what would Howdy do?
Really?
You are not nothing, Mr. Howdy. You are an artist and an inspiration. That is all I wanted to say.
We owe Howdy an apology.
Or what if we pretend to be those coyotes he was so afraid of? Grr, I'm gonna eat you. I'm a coyote. Howdy, help. Only you can save us. Right? Who's with me?
I think it's a fine idea. But why don't we make it dinner and a show?
Huh, guess the coyotes were real. Howdy, help. Only you can save us.
Oh, good dog almighty! It's them coyotes for real! I can't just leave them there. But what am I supposed to do? I'm not a cowboy. I'm just a... Scram, you mangy mongrel. This camp ain't big enough for the both of us.
I'll make you a deal. Leave us to our buffet, and we'll let you go.
I don't think so. These folks did their very best to help me in a tough time. It'd be awful bad manners to turn tail on them now. No way, no how.
You know, I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse.
Come on, just eat him already.
Who's next? Oh, shucks. Thanks, y'all. You're awfully nice, but you should really thank Mr. Weenie. He taught me I may not be much of a cowboy, but I'm one heck of an actor.
What is next for you, Mr. Howdy?
What's next for any great actor? Directing. And action.
All aboard!
I'm not so sure about this, guys. Guys? Cut! Cut! Cut!